And now you should come to this page right here and you should see your domain. If you do, go ahead and click on the button that says Launch cPanel. If you have a bunch of domains just like me, you might need to click on the View More button. And what I'm going to do is just come and find my new domain. So it's this one right here, and just click on cPanel. And you should be brought to your cPanel. And all we have to do here is we want to go and install WordPress, which is the content management system that we're going to use to build out our e-commerce website. So in the popular links right here, you should see build a new WordPress site. Go ahead and click on that. And once you come to this page, just come down to select your domain and choose the domain that you just registered. Leave the directory blank and click on next. And then what you can do is just type in your blog title. So we'll just type in shop, and we can always update this later in our theme settings. So it doesn't really matter what you type in. And I'll type in a username. So you want to type in something very secure. Admin isn't probably the most secure name, but that's what I'm going to use. And then I'll just type in my first and my last name. And then we'll type in our admin email address, which is going to be nyctechclub.com. So go ahead and fill out all this stuff. And then check these two boxes at the bottom and then click on install. And now all we have to do is just wait for WordPress to install. So if it takes a little bit of time, don't worry, it's going to install. And then once it does, you should see this notification that says install complete. And now you should have your username and your password right here. So if you want, copy and paste this and save it somewhere. You should also get an email from WordPress or HostGator with your login details. So I'll show you that in just a little bit. But now what we can do is we can go and check out what our website looks like, or we can log in. So it's really up to you. What I'm going to do right now is just click on this login button. And you should be brought to this page right here. And this is the login page for your new e-commerce website that you're learning how to create. If you don't have the URL for this page, you can always go to your email inbox. And you can see right here that we have this install complete email. And down here you have your login details. So the admin URL is the login page. So you can see it has the wp-admin at the end. And you have your username and password here. So if you need to, click on this link and you'll come to this page right here and just paste in your username and password. And then just click on the login button. And once you're logged in, this is the WordPress dashboard. And this is where we're going to go to customize our entire e-commerce website. We're going to build out our different pages and posts, upload our content, and all the products and everything. We're going to install a theme and some plugins that are really going to help you customize your WordPress website. But I don't want to get into all those details right now. What I want to do is just show you what your WordPress website looks like now that you installed WordPress. So if you hover over your website name when you're logged in and you click on Visit Site, this is what you should see, and it should look like a blog website. And don't worry, that's because we haven't installed a theme yet, which is going to be the template for our e-commerce website. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard right here. So all you have to do is just hover over your website name on the upper left and click on dashboard. And you can see right here, it says your site is displaying a coming soon page right now. If you want to launch your site, you can click here. So when your visitors go to your website right now, this is what they're going to see. They're going to see this coming soon landing page right here. But if you want, you can publish your WordPress website right now. So whenever you create your pages and posts, your visitors will see that. It's really up to you. You can wait till the end, but I'm going to click on this right now because we are going to publish our website when we're done with this video. So my website is published now. And if I go to this page again and I refresh this, you're going to see that the visitors are going to see this now. So just remember to click that publish link if you don't want to do it right now and you want to build out your e-commerce website and then publish it. Okay, so we're going to close this and we don't need to go into our email anymore. So I'm going to close this. And now we should be back on our WordPress dashboard. And what we can do really quickly is we can clean this up a little bit before we go and install our theme. So the first thing I'm going to do is just close some of these things just to delete this stuff. So I'm going to click out of this, delete this, and we can leave this right here. We don't need to learn more about Monster Insights, but what we can do is we can come down here and just close this. So this looks a little bit better, and this is our WordPress dashboard again. This is where you can go to customize your site, create your first blog post, add a page. We can go into our settings for our website and everything like that. We're going to become very familiar with the WordPress dashboard as we go through this video tutorial. So if this is your first time looking at the WordPress dashboard, don't worry if it looks overwhelming because we will get into everything. Okay, so if you're ready, let's move on to the next step.